A rainy New Year's Eve will prevail in some parts of the country due to shear line, northeast monsoon or amihan, and intertropical convergence zone, the State Weather Bureau said on Saturday. Weather specialist Benison Estarejas said in the 4 a.m. weather forecast of the Philippine Atmospheric, Geophysical and Astronomical Services Administration that the shear line will bring moderate to heavy rains to some parts of Luzon. Shear line is the convergence of warm and cold winds. According to Pag-asa, moderate to heavy rains are expected in Cagayan Valley, Aurora, Quezon, Camarines Norte, Oriental Mindoro, and Marinduque due to the effect of the shear line. The rest of the northern and central Luzon will experience chances of light rains due to the northeast monsoon. Meanwhile, scattered rains and thunderstorms will prevail in most parts of Mindanao and eastern Visayas due to ITCZ or the merging of winds from the northern and southern hemispheres.